unboxing, and this will be computer components unboxing part 2. Obviously my other parts didn't come in yet, but this is what I think is the processor, and I'm not 100% sure. And the reason why you hear me in the background because I can't find my cutting device. So, yeah, I think this is the AMD Athlon X2. You guys are very familiar with it. I'm getting questions and questions and questions on, overclocking, questions on this processor, and I'm glad I was able to help everybody with their problem. You know, they say they're overclocked, but something might not be applied or whatnot. I think I'm opening this upside down, but I'll do it anyway. So, as you see, I'm doing this on my rickety-ass chair. This is the chair that's going to get replaced soon. Bubble wrap, and, oh, would you look at that? It is the AMD Athlon processor. I'm going to save that bubble wrap feature. So, there it is. That's the AMD Athlon. And this is a 260. I'm not sure if you can see that. Oh, the camera won't focus in. But this is the X2 260. I had the X2 250. And not going to do a review. This is just unboxing the parts. The way it is, and I have to do an unboxing. It's not necessarily an unboxing, but just to show you the other two components that did come in the mail. Okay. So, here they are. It's not an unboxing, but comes to find out with this item right here, which is the 250 gigabyte, supposed to be a Hitachi drive, but this is a Seagate drive, and I think he sent me a Barracuda. I hope he did, because that's a fast drive. And here is the G-Skill memory. This is the Value series. There's the website. There's the RAM. Hasn't been tested yet. Pretty sure it works. RAM usually never comes DOA. Usually hard drives, video cards, and motherboards. But, yep, here's the other two components, and I went to go upload this video, and I went to play back the video to make sure that there was no copyrighted music, and darn sure my brother was blasting copyrighted music. I can't upload video with copyright, playing in the background. I don't want to take any risk and get strikes against my account for somebody else's actions. So, here they are. Hard drive, RAM. Then I'll go show you the compiler parts to let you know, or so you can see that this build will be underway quite soon. Oh yeah, and I gotta show you what else I had to get. I didn't buy this, but it came off of a machine. That was the old Sony DVD burner. Yes, it burns DVDs. And the manufacturing date's not on here, but you could say around 2001 or 2002. Oh, whoa, this is a late one. Okay, 2004. I didn't see that. Pretty cool. Okay, that's a little bit more, slightly older than the one that's already in my computer. So this one should have the normal read-write speeds of a mid-range IDE drive, just like mine. So, they should be fine. It's a Sony, and it's been taken care of. It hasn't been in a dusty environment like the one over in my system over there. I had to actually grab my camera. There we go. Let it focus in. It only focuses in when it's close, but yep, there we go. So I'm going to take this back, put all my components away, and show you. There's the computer I'm keeping. And here's the new shell, that motherboard, PSU, RAM, processor. You can't see it, but it's all in the closet. I have it in the closet, so I had my cousins over here, and they're both little, so you think I'm going to have $300 worth of computer crap sitting out? So, there we go.